All right, so back here on Jennifer's C1500, getting ready to do the single DIN radio install. And the kit for the single DIN comes with a little cubby that goes where the original radio went. And we were always looking for a place to put the trailer brake controller. So I took and cut out the top back of the cubby so the trailer brake controller would fit through the back. Mounted the bracket, a couple rivets. Now that baby is in the cubby. Nice and clean and tidy, easily accessible. Out of the way. Way better location than anything we were trying to originally do. And that will take care of that. So this is now going to go in there and we will be all set, ready to go.